Okay, video timed out on me. So the second one, we've changed it to match level, and it still has a gap in it there. So if we change that to perpendicular, and it, oh, I'm looking at the right side over there of the stairs. Okay, so here you can see it makes a perpendicular cut with the stringer. We're still missing a little small sliver of a notch right here. Okay, but that's as close as we can get it without going into modeling. And if you don't want something like this, okay. So what we'll do is all of our stringers will make them perpendicular and match level. Now these are the 4 upper stringers. And you can select both of them at the same time to make those changes. Okay. Um, and then check everything in a couple of section views, and then we'll pull this. Oh, I can finish my stair out. Okay. So that looks good. We're on the floor. Things are, things are connected. Now we got a little weird thing with the handrail right here that can be edited in the handrail tools, but I'm not dealing with handrails in this assignment. So that is what it is. And um, let me close these down so I get a full 3D. And that's what I want you to do to turn in. Now, how I'll go ahead and kind of tell you how it's handled here. Let me delete that. To get a nosing here, we would do a model in place, and we can load a profile of this nosing, but we actually have to edit it to make it a little bit larger. And we do an extrusion, much like with Inventor. Okay, and that's a little beyond where we are in the course right now. But you can add a stair nosing across there so that it would look the same. And with metal pan stairs, you're not going to have that, but with residential wood stairs, you would. Excuse me. Here, they would just be like a rubber nosing. It gets clipped over the edge of it. So that is what you're going to turn into me. A nice T-shaped stair um, that, goes from level to level. And if you're interested in experimenting with it, um, you can, excuse me, if we come back to our landing and edit that sketch, I've tried messing with adding an arc into this thing, and it had a tendency to kind of go wonky on me when I would do that. But we'll give it a try here and see. Maybe it'll work this time. Let's see. Because before it was like dumping part of the stringer. Actually, that looked like it worked. Yeah, it kept all the stringers in there and put us a nice little arced handrail, arced out the landing. So if you want to do something like that, that's quite all right. And you can you can actually edit the bottom of the stair too. If we convert that to a sketch, and what we want to do is we want to modify those green boundary lines. And I'm not sure how this is going to work. I haven't tried this one yet. Oop, wrong start point. Ah, why is this? I really should experiment with these things before, I guess before I try doing the video, eh? Trying to get a tangent arc in there and it's just not working. So we'll do it that way. I'm just going to try it on one side here and see how it works. Oh, wrong fillet. Oh, I want to extend. Let's see, did it work? Hey, what do you know? It did work. So you can edit an existing stair. Well, we got a little wonky on the riser, the stringer there. Um, or when you're creating stairs, and I haven't messed with it any much, is you can choose this right here, creates a sketch, and you can shape out some weird shapes and stuff like that. So you can experiment with those things. You don't have to do this arc down here. You don't have to do the arc here. You can experiment with those if you would like to. Okay, so you'll do that. And go ahead and turn in your Revit file so I can actually check the file itself in the Dropbox. Okay, if you got questions, shoot me an email, come by the lab.